Hello viewers, recently in the goat sale I have bought this TWS from Boat. This is an active noise cancellation TWS. I have bought this TWS at only 1.2k. So without wasting any more time, let's unbox this TWS. The box has already been opened as this is an open box delivery from Flipkart. On opening the lid of the box, the first thing that you will get is the TWS. I will keep this TWS aside for a moment. After that, you can see that there is Lead the Sound booklet, and if you open this, you will get a little box. Inside this, you will get some documentation, warranty card, and after that, there is some stickers. After that, there are two little boxes. The first box contains the charging cable. This is a type A to type C cable. You can charge your TWS using this. In the second box, you will get two extra pair of ear tips. Now this is Boat 161 ANC TWS. Though it is looking like a metal rim around the TWS, this is a plastic one. The look, however, is very delicate, but it looks little bit fragile to me. In this way, you can open the lid of this TWS. One thing is very good about this TWS, and that is it is in slimmer form factor, so it will not hurt your ears while using it for longer periods of time. There is a chrome finish on the top of the TWS, as you can see here. So appearance wise, this TWS looks very good. If you remove the ear tips, you can see that there is a metal rim on the top of the earpiece. As this is an active noise cancellation TWS, so you can expect up to 32 decibel of noise cancellation, and considering the price point at which you are getting ANC TWS, that is incredible. At the time of pairing with smartphone, you have to remove the TWS from the box and then you have to select this 161 ANC TWS and it will connect. This TWS supports AAC codec and the battery life will also be very good. However, it is not possible for me right now to test the battery. I have to use it for a couple of days. Only after then I can tell you about the battery life. Now the most important thing is the sound quality. The sound quality is decent from this TWS. The bass is on the higher side. However, I have compared this TWS with my Oneplus TWS. This is Oneplus Nord Buds 2, and this Buds 2 has better sound quality in terms of thumping bass, and also vocals are very clear here. But it does not mean that this TWS from Boat is not good enough in terms of sound quality. Actually, if you don't compare these two buds side by side, you will not feel any difference. Considering the price point of 1.2k, it is a very good option to buy in the market right now with active noise cancellation features. Call quality from this TWS is also very good. So if you are planning to buy any TWS with ANC feature, you can buy it right now. Let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy this or not. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.